Okay, so to replace the display panel, first you have to remove the control board, like so. We have other videos that show you how to change the control board. And then you take out these Phillips head screws, one here. Actually, this one is broken. You have another one over here. I'm sorry, right here. And another one here. Now, you've got some key slots in here. And so you have to push this back, and then it drops down just like that. You see the 3 screws, and then you see these key slots in here. And that's how you change a display panel. To put it back in, you put your new panel, get it ready, you line up the screws, the key slots, like so. And then once you get those screws lined up, you push it forward, and then you put your screws back in. And that's how you do it. Okay, see you next time.